What's up everyone? It's Sunday morning, it's 2 days before Christmas. I'm heading off to Sam's house to ride Milford dirt jumps on the hardtails. That was the plan, but we've had so much rain over the last few days. One, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get there, because yeah, I think there's going to be some closed roads, etc. And two, Milford's probably not going to be riding. Well, not getting through there. So that's the first turnaround of the day. Maybe they were right. Don't go out today. Just stay at home and eat and drink booze or whatever you do at Christmas time. Number 2, closed road. Another road closure. That makes 3 so far. Oh, another flood. Yeah, get on with it. No way. That's normally a field. Watch the cyclist. Oh my god. What on earth? So as predicted, it is flooded.
We did guess it was wet, and it is wet.
And so we won't be riding this actual jump, but this is the line that we need to ride. The last jump here. So Sam's already started, but the plan is to try and get rid of a little bit of the water here. Obviously we're not going to be able to get rid of it all because there's tons of it. Dig a little bit more of the hole, and then hopefully that will enable us to ride that jump. We say lots of effort, but to be honest it was 15 minutes.
That's true actually, yeah. And it's almost done.
We was going to try and empty this mass, well not all of it, but just enough to make this lower, but because that's higher than this, I decided to fill that in and just scoop this little bit out, and somehow...
Bit of a bodge, but looks like we're on.
Yeah. There we go, done. 15 minutes in. We blocked off the original drainage because it's just flowing back into the hole. Sam's put some nice fresh gear on the top.
That's the Milford technique. Bit of dust on
Bit
top.
of dry sand.
Pack it in, and we're off.
And I don't think it's going to be the best riding conditions ever.
Stop.
But we're going to get a session in. The sun is shining.
And it's better than being indoors.
Yeah, better than playing racing sim. So actually maybe not, but
Yeah.
okay. Racing sim when it's dark, biking when it's not. So
There she goes. That's the technique.
oh yeah,
Bit of spade love afterwards to finish her off.
getting that juice out.
That's right. Little bit in that hole, smoothing her up. Good job, Dasby.
Cheers, mate.
Let's go.
Let's do some tricks.
Dazza, open the jumps up for us.
Let's run through, see if I can get to the bottom.
Yes. How's that, Dasby?
Good initial run through.
Nice,
Bit of
it
a
worked.
bump on the second landing, the one that we fixed. It's like you can feel it go.
I think it's never going to be perfect today,
No.
is it? But we've definitely made the most out of a bad situation.
But it's just doing what you can, eh?
Dazza B is going to put some runs together. Yo. Yo. Nice, boy.
Stunts.
I'll get some slow-mos on the last.
Oh yeah.
What are you going to do? Double track?
Yeah, I could get that out again.
Try a couple, I'll go film.
Alright.
Yeah, ready? Yes! Finally! So hard to get speed for that, isn't it?
Felt like quite a push to even just have the time to do it.
Yeah, you have to like race jump. We're quite used to bigger jumps these days, actually.
What, dark first 100-foot jumps?
Yeah,
How
but
big is that?
quite.
2.5 foot?
Oh, it's a good 10 foot maybe, from lip to landing.
Yeah.
Like the old days. I love it. Right, this is going to be cool. Yeah. Quickly, if I can get one in.
Have to do it now.
Yeah, we can't end the video without that. Oh, yo. Panic over rain stopped.
Yeah, it was like a monsoon came in.
Yeah, for 30 seconds.
Oh!
Yeah.
That right there.
Look where
Very
you
sketchy,
landed.
but I'll take it.
Landed on that little bit and then...
I actually thought I was going down. I'm hyped.
But you didn't, and it was perfect. Nice one. Oh, drop.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
Actually a puddle there now.
Yeah, there is again. You splashed through it. That was sick. There we go. What a day it does be.
Really good, eh?
Just goes to show.
Whatever,
Bit of
whatever.
effort.
Yeah.
Get the jumps back going.
Managed to get a really good session in considering the floods on the way here. We've
Yeah.
got FPV footage, we've got chest cam and loads of good stuff. So for my first ever YouTube vid, I hope you like it.
How exciting.
If you like more, then let me know. I'm going to do some like track day vids as well, and
Please,
just
some
car
remaps.
stuff. Just stuff that I enjoy doing.
I'm definitely subscribing.
Sick. Cheers everyone.